Dear students, I'm one of your teachers from Government Girls High School, Belgaum. Today, once again, I'm with you through this offline class with your social science subject for class 9th. You know that presently we are dealing its geography part. Our present chapter is chapter 1, India size and location. In previous lectures, I told many things about this chapter to you. Today, I am going to give you more information as per the syllabus of this subject for class 9th. At times, I try to highlight some important things on the screen, especially about the lecture that I am going to deliver, so that these things can be remembered by you when repeated again and again. These are some basic points, basic information, sometimes about our country, about our region, or the world. Social science teaches us that we must almost know everything or every necessary thing about our country, about our states, UTs, about our concerned areas, villages, towns, cities, other countries, and the world. I have written a basic and beautiful definition of geography on the screen. You can clearly see it. I've read it. Geography, the study of the physical features of the earth and its atmosphere and of human activity as it affects and is affected by these, including the distribution of populations and resources and political and economic activities. This is a basic and beautiful definition about geography or of geography. One more point is highlighted on the screen. India is the 7th largest and the second most populous country in the world. This is also an important point. Now, you can clearly see on the screen, I have tried to put my today's lecture, my today's information in the form of question answer, so that this may be to the point, avoiding lengths. You can understand it very well. And this is one of your textual questions as well. This can also help you in that way. And this all lecture, you can see on the screen, it is clearly written and clearly can be read on the screen. So this way, this lecture is available for you in the form of video and in the written form. My voice is also with you, and you can easily write it on your notebook. You can maintain a notebook for it that will also help you, and that practice will also make you to understand these things more and more. I'll read the question. Question number 2. Answer the following questions briefly. Number 1. Name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. Number 2. Name the countries which are larger than India. Number 3. Which island group of India lies to its southeast? And the last question here, fourth question, which island countries are our southern neighbors? This is very simple and simple English. We will try to answer these questions. Question number 2, answer. The first point. India lies in the northern hemisphere with the mainland extending between latitudes 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north and longitude 68 minutes 7 degree east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 minutes north divides the country into almost two equal parts. This is the matter of directions, latitudes, longitudes, and the angles that our country makes on the globe, and this is about the form in which our country exists on the globe. Now, where the Lakshadweep Islands lie in the Arabian Sea to the southwest of the mainland, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal to the southeast of the mainland. Simply, we came to know, we answered our first question. Now, the second point, the countries which are larger than India are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. Russia is the largest of all countries with an area of 17.09 million square kilometer, while India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. And this is the answer of second question, second point. This way we named the 6 countries that are larger than India, and India's number is 7th. Now, the third point, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie to the southeast of India in the Bay of Bengal. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers. The total length of the coastline, including the islands of the Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 kilometers. This way, with added points, we answered our third question, our third point. Now, this is last one, the fourth question. The islands are the island countries that are our southern neighbors are Sri Lanka and the Maldives. Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Islands, whereas Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. These are the places which are existing in our these islands or in these seas and these channels. In next lectures, inshallah, I will try to connect these things once again so that you can get more information about these places. But I think today it is sufficient, and I have answered the points that were raised in today's question. I hope that you will take the necessary advantage from this lecture. I will be once again with you with more information about this topic, about this chapter. Till then, I will be leaving you with the usual advice that be in touch with your books, take the advantage of this time, also take care of your health of your family, health of your neighbors. Try to a better way to avoid this problem of COVID, and try to build a spirit of help for yourselves, for others, because every situation that comes in front of us comes to teach so many lessons to us. This is also a part of social sciences and the part of our life. We must take or try to take those lessons from these situations. I hope all the best for you. Have a nice day ahead. Stay home, stay safe, honor COVID SOPs, stay blessed. Thank you for today. Bye.